So finally we have reached H&M. Namaste dosto, welcome back to my channel. I am Supriya and I am super excited for today's video as I am going to do a shopping challenge today. And the tricky part is I'll do it in a very minimum budget. I'll spend around 1000 on each store and it would be H&M versus Zudio. I am hearing a lot about Zudio these days. So Zudio में I guess दो चीजें easily मिल जाए 1000 में, but H&M में finding something under 1000 that would be a challenge and I have to pick at least two things. So without wasting much time, अब हम निकलते हैं Zudio की तरफ. अब हम आ गए हैं Zudio और देखते हैं 1000 में हमें यहाँ पर क्या क्या मिलता है.
Enter करते ही I saw a variety of denims and t-shirts in different shades and quality was also decent as per the price. एथनिक सेक्शन में भी डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स वर अवेलेबल, बट इस बार का कलेक्शन मेरे को थोड़ा सा कम समझ में आ रहा था. सो आई वॉज वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड 1000 में ऐसी क्या दो चीज़ें लूँ. तो फाइनली आई हैव डन विद माई शॉपिंग और Zudio में ही हमें इतना टाइम लग गया तो हमें यहाँ से डायरेक्टली घर निकलना पड़ रहा है. सो टुमारो वील गो टू H&M एंड कंप्लीट आवर शॉपिंग चैलेंज.
So finally we have reached H&M, so let's see what we'll get here.
एंटर करते ही आई सॉ दिस वेस्ट टॉप इन प्रिटी शेड्स. दिस टाइम कलेक्शन वॉज रियली गुड इन H&M. मेरा मन कर रहा था मैं ये भी ले लूँ वो भी ले लूँ, बट आवर बजट वॉज ओनली 1000. फिर हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें स्किप करनी पड़ी बिकॉज अ स्कर्ट और अ ट्राउज़र वॉज नॉट इवन लेस देन 1200 और 1300. और ड्रेसेस का ऑप्शन तो था ही नहीं हमारे पास बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट लेस देन 1000 और हमें एटलीस्ट दो चीज़ें तो लेनी थी. तो चैलेंजिंग है यार सच में H&M में 1000 में दो चीज़ें ढूंढना. Denim section में भी there were variety of shades and colors, but again the price was not less than 1000, so we were not able to pick it.
So finally I have done with my shopping और Zudio में ही मेरे को इतना टाइम लग गया, so I went to H&M next day and now I am gonna show you what did I find out in such a minimum budget. So we'll start with Zudio first. So first one is this blue cotton t-shirt which I got only for ₹199 और ये मेरे को एंटर करते ही दिख गई थी. This was available in variety of shades but I picked up this one as I don't have any blue t-shirt in my wardrobe. और ये पहनने के बाद इतनी ज़्यादा comfortable है. I would rate this as 5 out of 5. I can wear it for any casual outings by pairing it with floral white skirts, shorts and even denims. And it is versatile. आई फील ये इतनी कंफर्टेबल है, इसको पहनकर आप जिम भी जा सकते हो. Second thing which I bought is this pink summery dress. It is giving me a lot of beach kind of vibes. And I can't tell you how pretty and comfortable it is. I can wear it while traveling or for any casual outings. लेने के बाद it feels so light क्योंकि इसका फैब्रिक इतना कंफर्टेबल है, प्योर कॉटन. And I paid only 699 for this dress, which is insane. वहाँ पर ऐसी मैक्सी ड्रेसेस भी अवेलेबल थी, but I guess price was around 899. और मेरे को 1000 में एटलीस्ट 2 चीज़ें तो कवर करनी थी, so that's why I didn't go for that. In sugar plum shade for 149 only. I can show you the swatch of it. Quality is decent as per the price, and look at the color. So moving on to the stuff which I got from H&M. So it was not easy to find 2 things in H&M under rupees 1000 only. So बहुत सारी चीजें try करने के बाद I got this off shoulder top in cotton fabric. It was available in 3 to 4 colors. And I selected this one. It is looking pretty cool. I can style this with joggers, trousers and denims as well. And price of this top was rupees 699. And after applying the membership discount, I got this only for rupees 639. और इसमें ऊपर की साइड नेक पर ये concealed elastication है, which I doubt कि कहीं लूज ना हो जाए. But still, overall it is a nice top. So second I picked up this rib press top in grey color. इसका MRP था 399, but I got this only for rupees 359. This was also available in different colors, but from a very long time I was looking for this color, so that's why I picked up this one. And it looks so stunning. I love the material. It's so stretchable. And the best part about such kind of tops is you can style it in different ways, and they just elevate your look and makes you look instantly fashionable. If you guys like it, kindly like and share my video and subscribe my channel.